What if there were no cats? Imagine a world without the playful purrs, the gentle nuzzles, and the curious stares of our feline friends. It's hard to picture a world without cats, but let's explore what that world might look like. Cats play an important role in many ecosystems, helping to control populations of rodents and other small animals. Without cats, these populations could grow unchecked, leading to potential imbalances in the ecosystem. In the absence of cats, we might see an increase in the number of pests that damage crops, spread disease, and threaten other wildlife. But the impact of a world without cats would also be felt emotionally. For many people, cats are beloved pets that provide companionship, comfort, and joy. The absence of cats would leave a void in the lives of millions of people around the world. We might see fewer cat videos on the internet, but we would also miss out on the many heartwarming moments that cats bring to our lives. In the end, it's hard to imagine a world without cats. They are a beloved part of our lives and our culture. But whether or not cats exist, life will go on.
For more videos, subscribe our channel Mr. What.